Hello, everyone. This is RJ, the Bitcoin Noob. Today, I'm going to share an illustration to show why it's so important to invest for the long term and to always strive to buy assets instead of buying liabilities. Over time, it makes an enormous difference in our lives and our futures. Okay, illustration number one, Apple. Apple stock ticker is AAPL. The Apple iPhone is one of the best-selling products of all time, okay? The iPhone debuted January 7th, 2000, or January 9th, 2007, and the base model 4 gigabytes was $499. Apple's stock price on January 13th, 2007, split adjusted, it was $3.42. So what would have happened if someone purchased Apple stock for $499 worth of Apple stock instead of buying the iPhone for $499, not even counting tax? Well, today, March 2nd, 2022, the value of that stock purchased would be $24,243.81. As of today, when I recorded this video, Apple's stock was trading at $166.16. So instead of buying the iPhone, buying the stock instead would have provided a 48x return of investment just for holding it since 2007. Okay, now these are just illustrations to show you the power of investing for the long term. The MacBook, and I've had several iPhones, so I'm not saying that I'm innocent in purchasing some of these items. The MacBook Pro, I've had several MacBook Pros. The MacBook Pro debuted on January 10th, 2006 at a cost of $2,199. Apple's stock price on January 14th, 2006 was $3.06 split adjusted. The value of purchasing $2,199 worth of Apple stock instead of buying the MacBook Pro on January the 14th today would be worth $119,407.13. That is a 54x return of investment just for holding Apple stock instead of buying the MacBook Pro. Next example, Nike. Nike's stock ticker is NKE. Now, the average price of a pair of men's Air Jordans can range anywhere from $100 to $200 a piece. And that's if you buy direct. If you're buying a resale, then it could be easily $250 to $300 or more, depending on how rare those Jordan sneakers are. Okay, so for this illustration, we're going to look at the price of Nike stock January 4th, 2002 was $7.13. Okay, so let's say on January 4th, 2002, someone spent $500 to buy 2 pairs of Air Jordan sneakers. That is very possible and very realistic and very common. The value of $500 worth of Nike stock that was purchased on January 4th, 2002, today, instead of those shoes, would be worth $9,502.10. Okay, that is a 19x return of investment for holding the Nike stock instead of the Nike shoes. Now, Jordans can accumulate some value, but certainly wouldn't be worth $9,502.10. Illustration number 3, the Tesla. Tesla's stock ticker is TSLA. Tesla's Model 3. The first vehicles were delivered on July 28th, 2017. The cost for the base model with no add-ons and no tax was $35,000. Tesla's stock price on July 28th, 2017, split adjusted, was $67.01. Okay, now the model of that Tesla Model 3 today, March 2nd, 2022, assuming it's in excellent condition and that you do private party sale and not a dealer trade-in, would be worth $29,704, which is actually fantastic value to still have on a used car. So that's very, very strong retainment of value. But the value of Tesla stock, had you purchased $35,000 worth of Tesla stock on July 28th, 2017 would be worth $444,747.05. Tesla stock as of this writing is $851.50. That is a 12x return of investment for holding. Okay, so instead of buying the Tesla vehicle for $35,000, you would have almost $500,000 just from holding Tesla stock. And again, with the Nike example, $9,502 instead of a pair of shoes. And for Apple, $24,243 from the purchase of an iPhone, and $119,407 instead of purchasing a Mac Pro. What I'm trying to illustrate is we tend to casually purchase things that we want, and we're marketed to do that. And we don't realize how valuable that money is had we just invested it in the market over the long term. That money invested over a period of 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years can make a big difference in our lives. And always think of investing your money into assets that can build value for you instead of always throwing it away on things that we're only going to have for a short amount of time. It's a critical mindset that is very important for people who want to build wealth. So I just wanted to share these illustrations. People don't realize how much money that really is. $500 doesn't seem like much for an iPhone, but once you look at it this way and see how that could have performed in the market over the course of 10 years, that does make a big difference. So that's all I wanted to say in today's video. Please consider subscribing and smash that like button for me. Would appreciate it as always. Until next time, peace out.